Hello everyone. I just came today to show you what came in the mail to me from BeeBeeCrafts. I got a few things and I just wanted to share them with you. Just let me set my camera right. Hopefully that's good. So I got these die cuts. I'm really excited to use them. I'll get it off that packaging. It's hard to show because it's all shiny from my lighting, but I'm loving this pocket here. I want to really give that a try. Anyways, I got that, and I got. I'll just put these aside for a second. I got all these charms. Oh. And it says, it doesn't really say how many charms. Just a second. Maybe it does. Yeah, just one bag. And it doesn't really say how many there are, but there's a lot of bags inside this bag. So I'm just going to show them to you. If I can get them open. They're so tiny. Oh, aren't these so cute? Little hat. And oh my gosh, I can't even. I should have done it in this hand so I could use my right hand. My right hand's a little better. Anyways, I'm just going to spread them out for you to see. There's lots of, oh, look at the little feet. I love that. And that I've never seen before. It's, looks like a little train. Anyways, that's one little bag. And, I'll just put them back so I don't lose them. This one, I'm not sure why they did them in separate bags. Maybe because of the theme. I don't know if there's a theme. Maybe there is. Oh, one that says luck. Just try and spread them out here so you can see them a little bit better. Ice cream cone. Oh, okay. So this seems like it could be, no, there's a butterfly. I was going to say it's ocean theme, but it's really not. Anyways, there's a lot there. So I'll just put those back. And I'll leave BeeBeeCraft's link below. And hopefully I'll be able to find what I've purchased and I'll link it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 little bags in this. So I just think they're so cute. Just for dangles or whatever on your journals. Oh, this is really nice. It's got a key and a, you know, this one's quite nice. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. That's so cute. They're all cute. BeeBeeCraft had so many things to choose from. I had a hard time picking anything. Anyways, that's what was in that bag. Try and get them in without, yeah, see. Just one sec. I'll get them in. There's a lot of charms here. Two more bags, guys. I'm not sure if they're duplicates or I don't think they are. Oops. They are so darling. Oh, there's a key, but it's different than the last one. Music notes. Oh, look at the bunny. That's so cute. Anyways, there's lots in here. I'm having a hard time getting them back in. And the last little bag. I'm even having a hard time opening them. Fingers aren't working so good. Oh, a snowflake. And these look a little bit similar to the other ones, but I can't be sure. Oh, a mask. Make sure I'm in camera. Anyways, Birdhouse. Little bow. They are so cute. Yeah, I'm not getting them in, but I will. I don't want to lose one. So that's five little bags. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags you get in this package. That's a lot. Okay, and then I got this. I really needed bulb pins, so I got these. There's a whole bunch in here. There's lots and lots and lots. I hope I'm not too close. That'll give you an idea of the colors. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 4. It's 24 sections of all different colors. Isn't that just amazing? I just like different colored bulb pins that you can use. So I could really use those. Thank you very much, BeeBeeCrafts, and we'll be doing something with these in another video coming up real soon. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye now.